In a rare move, the Tennessee Attorney General will not defend a new law that punishes elected officials for voting in favor of sanctuary city policies.
These policies limit cooperation with ICE officials. AG Jonathan Skrmetti says the new law violates the Constitution. It's a similar argument made by those who sued over the legislation. It was a law that made casting a certain vote a crime in Tennessee. The bill drawing criticism from both sides before it even passed.
This seems like a First Amendment kind of issue. This seems like a free speech kind of issue.
The legislation, passed during a special session in January, punishes elected officials for voting in favor of sanctuary city policies, something already illegal in Tennessee. Some Republicans worried about the standard it could establish.
We set the precedent of penalizing any elected official for voting their conscience, whether it's good or bad, then we've set a dangerous precedent for the future.
The ACLU and 7 Metro Nashville council members sued over the law, arguing it violates the First and 14th Amendments and the speech and debate clause, which gives legislators immunity when doing their jobs.
This cuts severely into those immunities for local legislators who could face now criminal liability, not just civil liability, but criminal liability for what they do in their role as legislators. And that totally inhibits their ability to do their jobs and what they were elected to do.
The ACLU, writing in the lawsuit, this is the, quote, first known instance in American history where a state has imposed felony liability on local officials for voting a certain way.
We shouldn't live in a world where governments can imprison people for dissenting.
Tennessee's top attorney, who would normally represent the state in these kinds of suits, is refusing to defend the law in court. It's a rare move by AG Jonathan Skrmetti, who issued us a statement which reads in part, quote, the Constitution provides absolute immunity for all legislative votes, whether at the federal, state, or local levels. The bill's sponsor, House Majority Leader William Lamberth, not bothered by the decision, telling us, quote, I have full confidence in the Attorney General's office to carefully evaluate how the laws we pass will stand up in court. On this particular issue, he has concluded that success is unlikely, and I respect his analysis. Republicans will never allow Nashville or any city in our state to break our laws, undermine national security, or endanger the well-being of Tennesseans by becoming a sanctuary for criminals. Should any local governing body pursue such policies, we will take decisive action to hold them accountable through other avenues. AG Skrmetti emphasized state law already bans cities from becoming sanctuary cities. He says any Tennessee municipality that enacts sanctuary policies will lose state funding until they comply with the law.